Have you ever thought that a stupid thing someone did might actually be a stroke of genius? Or maybe just plain stupid? Today, we're diving into the parrot's paradox. We will explore the fine line between apparent stupidity and masterful deception. Keep watching, because the truth will shock you. This is Alex, an African gray parrot, and not just a bird, but a legend. He could use over 100 words, identify objects, colors, and even shapes. He turned the scientific world upside down. But here's the paradox. The same genius sometimes couldn't do the simplest things, making one wonder, is it really that intelligent? So what's the answer? It might seem stupid at first glance. But wait, could the real fools here be us? Most of these behaviors are natural instincts or us misunderstanding them. Their brains don't work like ours. They're running different software. They understand things that are important to them, like escaping or getting a reward, but they might ignore things that are unimportant. This isn't stupidity, it's focus. But what if this is just a trick? What if all this stupidity is actually masterful deception? Research shows that parrots are masters of manipulation. Evolution gave them their most powerful weapon, mimicry. And it's not just for communication. It's for social manipulation, to get attention, win sympathy, or just to get a cracker out of you. It's an art of deception. And now we're raising the bar. Recent scientific studies prove these birds have incredible cognitive abilities. These abilities include planning, tool use, and even self-awareness. So, that stupid behavior, could it actually be because their way of perceiving the world is radically different from ours? We're trying to measure their intelligence with our own narrow frameworks. Perhaps the answer to the parrot's paradox is neither. This isn't a choice between stupidity and genius. It's the story of an intelligence that is not unique to us, different, complex, and extremely adaptive. The next time you see a parrot do something stupid, ask yourself, is it really stupid or is it just playing you to think it is?